welcome to part 2 of our Perth to North Dandalup motorcycle camping trip. We ride our DR650 and CRF250L to North Dandalup and head east into the Darling Escarpment. We ride on bush trails and forestry trails for 2 hours into the dark to find a beautiful camping spot and set up our motorcycle, camping swags and campsite. Hope you enjoy. It's mid-morning. We finally climb out of our beautiful, comfortable swags. Just do a walk around of our campsite and show you what it was like and our camping gear. If you've seen our videos before, you would have seen our motorcycle, camping chairs and tables, which pack into a very, very small size. What's new to this video is we went out and bought motorcycle swags from a very good dealer on eBay. I've dealt with them on numerous times before for Birkin wheel swags and a lot of camping gear. Our camping gear and all our tools and that are transported via Wolfman luggage and various racks purchased specific to our motorcycles. The gear's all excellent. We didn't go the hard pannier way, and I'm probably glad because I did drop my bike last night, and if I had aluminium ones I'm sure they'd be nice and marked by now. The Wolfman only had a small little pock mark, which is very fixable from the kit they supply.
It's nice and roomy inside. Have a good night's sleep. This is where we had to camp because the campsite's listed in our camps book. Both of them were shut for some silly reason. But anyway, it's a beautiful spot. It's going to be 32 degrees today. And it's still quite nice now. It's just on 10 o'clock. I gather soon it'll start to get pretty warm. About an hour and a half away from home, so it won't take us long to get back. Just another different view of our campsite. Must have been an old logging campground. You see all those big trees that they've chopped. The campsite would have tables and bench chairs or seats of some variety, at least tables. Finally packed up. A couple hours. Packed everything on. Nice and heavy. Starting to get a bit warm now. Recording.
pack up and head home on what is a glorious day for riding a motorcycle. Days like these are why people buy motorbikes. It's a wonderful feeling of freedom and an adventure that begins when you leave home all the way to your site and back home again. It's not like when you go four-wheel driving or via car, where sometimes the trip there and back can be painful. Like, are we there yet? And pretty much it's more often than not about the destination rather than the journey. You should try it one day, it's fantastic. stop at a beautiful park in the middle of Mundaring. It's starting to get really hot and we need to top up on our fluids. We come down the Darling Ranges in Kalamunda, and even though we're on adventure bikes and heading home, it is still great fun to ride these motorcycles even on the road. The adventure for us still hasn't ended, even though we are heading home, which is totally unlike a car where you pretty much just want to get home, unpack, clean up and then relax.